It's a really good keyboard, not gonna lie to you. You should get it, it's worth the price. How's it going, guys? It's me, Ronel, and welcome to unboxing. I did unboxing before, but they're like the cheap version, and as you can see, you guys see my ReZero mouse pad. It's a little bit backwards right now, but cause I'm facing this way and then my camera is facing that way, I'm probably gonna get like my phone or something to record the whatever I'm seeing and touching. But this is the E-YOSSO keyboard. It's I don't know, I found it didn't have a lot of reviews that much, but here we go. I don't know, there's like a light. It's the k-620. I'm not experienced unboxing, so this is gonna be a scuff. I'm not gonna waste your time. I know that this didn't have a lot of review in Amazon, so I'm probably gonna help out and post that. But this is you can replace the switches and the keycaps, the removable. But I'm not gonna do that. I got the brown ones because blue ones, they're clicky, and I play games at night and I type essay at night too, so I didn't wanna like bother anyone. I don't know, I like the sound, but it's loud. But I got the brown one because it's basically the same as like blue switch, as you can see right there. Focus up, or right there. The light monochrome. It doesn't have like a full RGB. It has the lights on like the sides, and those are brown switches. You can get black. I didn't know you can get black. But yeah, here we go. Let's unbox it now. Cause I told you guys I didn't want to waste my time. Alright, as you can see, it's like the multicolored one. I'll show you guys in Amazon. Okay, we're gonna pull it out. I don't think it's ooh, the retro colors, man. That's sick. And it doesn't have anything. It's only the keyboard. I hope they would give a key puller, but I don't think they've done that. Here's the cord. Yep, no one wants to see the cord, but here we go. Take out the bubble wrap. Okay, it's a good keyboard. I like it. Ooh, I like the deep sound, but still has that clickiness. Okay, you got the instruction right here. It shows you like FN, so this, and then just like, cause like it's a 60% keyboard, not 60%. I don't think it's 65. I don't know, but here. The thing that I was wondering if it has a stand, because it didn't. The people on Amazon that were reviewing it didn't have like the back of it, but yeah, as you can see here, there's like stands that make it go up, which I like. I like my keyboard raised a little bit higher. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get used to this. We're gonna plug it in a second, and we can do a sound test for the brown switch. Okay. Whoa. Oh, so wait. Does it have multiple lights? So here it is. I like the color scheme. It's like retro. That's why I got it. This is really good. Okay, look at that. So brown switches are like good for typing and gaming at the same time. So it does have a stand. I was worried about that it's gonna be low, but it seems perfect. Oh yeah, there's the RGB lights. There we go. The RGB lights on the back. Alright, we're gonna see the commands here. Oh, little. My lighting is so bad, but whatever. Oh yeah, FN light up. Oh, FN1. So FN this. Oh, this. Oh, so it does have those different, what do you call it? Those different light ups. So that's good. That's really good. I like that. Because I thought it didn't have it because none of the people in the comment section are like talking about it. As you can see, it's a really good keyboard. Not gonna lie to you. You should get it. It's worth the price. I paid 26, something like that, for like free shipping, and it came so fast. I ordered it yesterday and it came now. That was crazy. But let's check out the other mode. This is, I don't know what this is. 2 to light up those. I don't know what kind of games. I think this one is League of Legends. So we click FN 3. This is like racing. Oh no, that's Call of Duty. Okay. 4. I don't know what this is. RTS. Whatever that is. It light up these. Yeah, I don't know what this is. What's 5? What's 5? I don't even know what 5. LOL. Oh, this League of Legends. And we got 6. What is 6? What? Car. Oh, this is driving. But why would you drive with these? WASD. Oh yeah, yeah. It's good, I guess. And then 8. I don't know. 8 NBA. Oh no, 7. 7 is NBA. This one, I don't know. I don't know what 8 is. I light up those. Oh, and 9 you can customize it. But I need to figure out how to do it. So this follow-up video, I was like editing it, and I'm at the part where the 9 and the 0, where you can customize it. The 9 already customized it to Genshin Impact controls. So to customize it, you just have to do FN home. You could set it up, and when you're done, you click FN and end, and there should be it. And you can go back and forth to it, which I'm not gonna put anything for this one. Alright, it says focus up. It says self-design. Oops, come on, man. It says right here self-design. So those are the other ones. First of all, the FPS, CF. I don't know what CF is. It's Call of Duty. RTS. I don't know what RTS is. League of Legends, and there's car, and there's the NBA. Then you can customize it. So this one, adjust backlight, FN up. Oh yeah, this one to light it up. Let's give it a little with more keys. This one decrease, so down, FN and down, increase, decrease. For like a cheap mechanical keyboard, you guys should check this out because it's really good, and it's really good for the price too. There's red switches, there's brown, and there's blue ones. I think there's only 3 for this kind, the retro kind, but they do sell other stuff. I'm trying to figure out how to like bring it back to the normal. FN this. Oh, so I found it. Alright, this is one of the things. And then you have that, and you have this one, and you're gonna have a stroke with these. How do you decrease down? Oh, so you can decrease. Yeah, because if you have it full like that, dude, like if you have it full like that, like aren't you gonna have a stroke? Alright, we're gonna keep it the same pace. Alright, next one. Holy balls. Let's slow it down a bit. I hope it has that one that when you click on it, the color just spread out. Hopefully it does. Alright, next one. Oh, I think... Oh no, it has it! Yes! I like this one. This one is really trippy. So when you type, it just bam, 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 boom, 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 beam. That's cool. Alright, so it has a regular one. It has... What is this? Oh! Oh, it has more. What the heck? So it stays. I like this one. So you know what you pressed when you're fucking up. Ooh, I like this. It's just... Okay. And what is this? Breathing? I'm a dope. Yep. This is breathing. Oh no, that's so fast. Fuck that. Okay, and what is this one? Oh, and you're back to that, I think. Yep. And you're back with this. With the... So you can pick whatever you want with that. And then for 9 and 0, you can make your own if you do those. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is normal. 6. And we're back to breathing. I think that, yeah, there's 6. Which this is the... Nope, that's breathing. This one. This is normal. Yeah, that's it. I really like this keyboard a lot. This is really great. And for the price, it's so good. So you can lock the windows so you don't actually click it. FN pause. Adjust RGB stream lights on the both sides. Oh, so for the lights right here, the RGB lights, to pause, it's FN plus. FN what? Plus. When nothing is happening. Oh, FN plus pause. Oh, FN pause. I'm so dumb. It's right. It's literally written right here. So I click that. It's just red. As you can see, where is it? I think it's red. Let's get a close up for this. Alright. Here we go. I'm gonna click it again. No, it's green. Rainbow, red, green. But I think there's breathing. That's red. That's green. So it doesn't have purple. I want it to be purple. Or like at least like a shade of blue like this. So it actually match. Let's see what else. It says to adjust the brightness. Those. So FN. Oh wait, I think I found it. That's purple, right? So you can change the color. I just press FN and the minus sign. So I don't know if you can turn this off. I'm not really sure. But it says right here neon off by pressing that. I kinda like accidentally hit this for some reason when I'm pressing enter, so I'm gonna get used to that. Alright, I managed to do it. Finally! Alright, it's like really dark, but like that's brown. No, that's brown. I'm tripping. It looked black, but yes, you can see here. You can remove the switches, so you can try other switches if you want. And the keycaps. These are keycaps. They're really good. Okay. They just fall right back like that. But yeah, it's a really good keyboard, and I hope you guys like enjoy this. Yeah, it's a really good keyboard. Go get it now, like right now. Buy this. It's good. So I'll see you guys in the there's a new update for the horror game that I'm gonna play, so I guess I'll see you guys there, or another Genshin Impact. So as always, I'll catch you guys to the flip side.